CEO meets the plant manager and informs him that the competition is getting stronger, bigger. Plant manager organizes a meeting with the managers and informs them about the current situation. Our market research shows that the competition is undercutting our prices. In addition, in a recent survey, our customers claim that our cement bags arrive dirty at their site and they contain less weight than we claim. Finally, our employees are complaining about the working conditions in our packing plant. During discharge of the bags from the packing machine, cement spills out of the valve. And during transport in the plant and during loading of the trucks, further cement loss from the valves occurs. All of this creates a dusty working area for our operators. The maintenance of the machines and filter systems is very costly and time-consuming due to the dust development. Furthermore, cement is lost from the valves during transport and handling of the bags from the factory to the end users. Theft of cement from the bag valves is a huge issue in some of our markets. We also have reports from customers saying that they are being made fun of because the back of their shirts show a cement stripe as a result of the valve spilling when the bag is being carried on their shoulder. All of this can be seriously damaging to our image. We have heard of a new solution by Hover and Boaca, which allows us to seal the valves of the bags directly after filling. By sealing the valves, the promised bag weight will reach the end consumer in clean bags, which will boost our image. By sealing the valves, we'll reduce our maintenance costs, not only at the packing machine, but all components within our plant. By sealing the valves, the operator will work in a dust-free area. Gentlemen, let us deliver on the promises to our customers regarding quality and quantity of our cement like others do as a standard by using Hover and Boaca seal technology. 6 months later. With the help of Hover and Boaca seal technology, we have regained our market share and even increased it by winning over new customers from our competition. Much more importantly, we achieved higher prices for our cement and empowered our image. We also have reduced the maintenance cost of our packaging plant significantly. All of this has led to an unexpected increase of our profits. Finally, we've also managed to increase the satisfaction of our complete operator team. To find out what other areas of your plant you can improve, ask for these videos.